Inside automated candy factories, advanced machines and skilled workers work together to create billions of candies every single day.
In this highly automated facility, raw ingredients like sugar and glucose syrup are stored in these tower.
The sucrose levels are consistent with the last batch.
And the syrup viscosity is within the acceptable range.
The crystal lattice structure looks consistent with the last batch.
Agreed. The refractive index is holding steady at 1.45.
In this highly automated facility, sugar is precisely measured and delivered via a complex network of stainless steel pipelines. The silos release precisely measured sugar into the stainless steel pipelines, controlled entirely by advanced sensors.
The automated blending unit swirls the colors, creating the signature patterns you see in every piece of our candy.
The automated candy factory continuous cooker maintains perfect candy consistency. The automated candy factory continuous cooker maintains perfect candy consistency.
Here we see the crucial sheet formation stage, where the liquid candy meets the sub-zero steel belts.
Inside the cooling chambers, the molten candy undergoes a rapid stabilization process, ensuring the perfect texture for packaging. The shaping rollers, operating in precise synchronization, transform the viscous mass into perfectly uniform spheres. Here in the sorting facility, advanced robotics analyze each piece by size and shape, ensuring every confection finds its way to the correct packaging line.
These AI-powered vision systems scan thousands of candies per minute, ensuring only the highest quality products reach the consumer.
Here in the polishing drums, the candies achieve their signature high-gloss finish.
The polishing drums rotate continuously, ensuring a perfect, glossy finish on every piece of candy. This automated process ensures an even coat of glaze, giving the candies their vibrant, glossy finish. The secondary cooling line ensures the candies reach optimal temperature before packaging.
Scene 23. Automated Candy Factory Moisture Control Zone. Humidity-controlled chambers inside the automated candy factory ensure shelf life.
Humidity-controlled chambers inside the automated candy factory ensure shelf life.
Here at the verification station, every single pack is automatically weighed to ensure accuracy before shipping.
The weight verification station ensures every pack meets the strict quality standards before moving on to packaging.
Inside the automated candy factory, production dates are printed automatically onto each wrapper. The palletizing robots ensure maximum efficiency, stacking thousands of candy cartons every hour. The automated quality control system meticulously scans each candy sample, utilizing precision laser.
Maintaining peak hygiene is critical. These machines undergo rigorous, fully automated sanitation cycles after every production run.
Moving the robotics team to the afternoon slot ensures coverage.
If we shift quality control here, we optimize the flow.
Agreed, that looks much better.
The night shift needs reallocation on line 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting the robotics schedule now.
In this highly automated distribution center, rows of finished candy are meticulously prepared for shipment around the globe.
is how automated candy factories turn science and automation into sweetness. Subscribe to explore more factory secrets. This is how automated candy factories turn science and automation into sweetness. Subscribe to explore more factory secrets.